Okay, this next portfolio will be a little quick. And it's pretty interesting, I think, anyways. Dude, this song though. I'm sorry for the YouTubers who can't hear it. You can see me experiencing it though. Afternoon partners. Dude, this feels good. All right, so that's awesome. You've got your Discord number in here too. So I would say for the most part, Instagram is probably not the best for using for a portfolio. They can hear the song via my dance moves. The reason I say that about Instagram is it gets pretty intermixed. You've got some like it looks like you're building a game. And then you've got profile pictures and kind of random stuff in here. Fireworks, profile picture. Like this looks like this is actually interesting. You could use your Instagram as a way to track your work in progress. I think that is acceptable. Like if like this type of stuff, if you're like work in progress shots and just like progressing through, because you would see the progression as it goes, right? And then like when a shot is completed, you could post that in here, and then that would link back to your Artstation. So then you kind of merge the two social networks together. But yeah, I wouldn't use Instagram for your portfolio. The thing that actually grabbed my attention, though, are these guys. These are really interesting. Blender as well, huh? Wait, Blender, 3ds Max. I wonder if he's using both. You don't use social networks? Do you have an Artstation? Do you have LinkedIn? Blender for renders? Maybe. Yeah, these rooms are really cool, actually. I would say, so because the details are so small, I would actually exaggerate some of the elements. Those are so IKEA, I can feel it. So is that little plant. Super IKEA. I would suggest thickening either like the countertops or like just these longer pieces. And then probably the thing that needs to be detailed out the most is the chairs, if you know what I mean. Oh, this is awesome. Man, this actually, when I was little, I had a bunk bed with Astronaut, which is my brother Jordan. We used to climb under the like crawl under the bottom of it. We had our little like secret cave down there. Good times. Bunk beds were lit until they fell, and then they weren't lit anymore. I mean, this is cool to see though. Like, I like that you're posting somewhere. I would definitely, I guess for some people, full on Step Bros for sure. I think for some people it can be a little intimidating to join Artstation, and I totally get that. It's scary sometimes because everyone is there, right? The best of the best, the ones that you feel like would never approach their skill level ever. It's scary to be posting an image that could possibly show up right next to theirs. I had the top one. No, everyone's only as good as the person they are. Like, there will always be someone better than you, and just get used to that and appreciate it. And remember that actually means that you recognize quality, right? So that means you know where where things are, like in a quality standpoint. You know which way to go. If like, oh man, that looks so good. Like, how do I get that good? See, they initiated the quality push for yourself, through you, by you. It's crazy. So don't let them intimidate you. The only things I think in here that look like they're done are these 4 rooms. And this stuff's pretty interesting. But yes, I would suggest create that Artstation and let's get the ball rolling. I think you're ready for an Artstation. All right, cool. We're going to transition to Discord critiques now. Let me make sure I caught whatever, if you messaged anything on the side there. Nope, just the same link. Yeah, these rooms are cool though. I like them. If that's is that a closet or a sliding glass door or double doors? Either way, these are interesting. My favorite one, I think, is this one, just because of the little, there's some story propping going on. When you get these screenshots, get rid of the, like actually do a render, so you hide the light and the camera. And then, yeah, I didn't catch that before. I don't know why I didn't see that before. Anywho, let's get to Discord.